Let's have a look at another 2 cards and see what combination comes out. These two want to work together. So let's first have a look at the 7 of Cups. The 7 of Cups is all the options. So you can have a look at all the different options coming out of those cups. Some good ones, some bad ones, but this is options. It could also be illusions. And what are you seeing and what is the truth and what is not the truth, and having too many options to look at. The Ace of Swords is the card of truth, the card of speaking truth, knowing the truth, hearing the truth. And having a look at these 2 card combinations, I wonder, what is he seeing? Is he seeing the truth? Is he thinking of speaking the truth? Which option is he going to be pulling out of the cup to be presenting as his own truth? So here I feel you really have to look at all the different options being presented and what is the truth and what are you going to be speaking? From which of these cups are you going to be speaking and presenting?